We've got the integral of e to the x cosine x, which is a clear product in the integrand, and so that means we're dealing with integration by parts. So to start off, we'll let u equal cosine x. The derivative of u in this case is negative sine x. dv equals e to the x, and the integral of v here is also e to the x. And because this is integration by parts, we'll go across first and then down over. So we'll have e to the x cosine x minus the integral of negative sine x times e to the x dx. And then this again is another product, so we'll let u equal sine x, du will be cosine x, dv equals e to the x, and then v once more will be e to the x again, because we're differentiating and then integrating. And because this is integration by parts, we'll go across once more, down over, and so we'll be left with e to the x cosine x plus, in brackets now, e to the x sine x minus the integral of e to the x cosine x dx. And you'll notice that we've got e to the x cosine x here, which is also what we started with, so it's almost as if we're going in an integration by parts loop. But what's important is that if you can recognize that we've had this already, that means we can easily solve this, because all of this equals your initial integral. And so what that allows us to do is to set our original integral, I, equal to everything. So we have e to the x cosine x plus e to the x sine x minus the integral of e to the x cosine x dx. And because our original integral is I, and our original integral appears here, we can also cross this out and replace it for I. And since we're subtracting it on this side, what we can do now is add it on this side, and also add it on this side. And so that gives us 2i equals e to the x cosine x plus e to the x sine x. And now, to solve for the answer of our original integral, we just have to divide both sides by 2. So what we're left with is I equals e to the x cosine x plus e to the x sine x over 2, and then plus c for a constant. And that is the solution to the integral of e to the x cosine x. If you have any questions, or if you have any other calculus or physics problems you'd like me to work on, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, I hope you found this helpful.